Hi guys, today we're going to see an AWS announcement on Lambda. So I recently came across uh, some announcement. So one of the announcement I want to share with you, that is AWS Lambda Powertools for TypeScript is now generally available, which means you can able to deploy your TypeScript program into Lambda. So we need to understand what is Powertools, which Lambda offers, and it's already supporting Java. Now they have extended it for TypeScript. This announcement came on July 15, 2020. We are excited to announce the general availability of AWS Lambda Power Tool for TypeScript, an open source developer library to help you incorporate as per best practice into your Lambda functions code as early and as fast as possible. In this release, Lambda Power Tools for TypeScript focus on three observability features: distributed tracing, structured logging, and anonymous business and application metrics. Developers can use Lambda Power Tools for TypeScript to adopt these best practices in milliseconds. By providing abstractions on top of AWS SDK and multiple AWS services, PowerTool increases the developer's productivity by streamlining the adoption of best practices defined in AWS well-architected framework. Lambda PowerTools for TypeScript is used when developing a code for Lambda Node.js runtime. These runtime are available in all regions where Lambda is available. PowerTool is also available in Python and Java, which I has already mentioned. To learn more about new Lambda Power Tools for TypeScript, see the blog. You can submit your feedback. So this is the announcement where Power Tool is already available for Python and Java. Now the Power Tool is available for TypeScript as well. So first, if you are new to this, by the time you would have understand or try to understand that Power Tools is a kind of a best practice provided by AWS to deploy your run your application on Lambda. So let's see what is this power tool for TypeScript. AWS Lambda Power Tool for TypeScript provides a suite of utilities for AWS Lambda functions running on Node.js runtime. To easy the adoption of best practice such as, because tracing is very important, logging is very important, structured logging is very very important, custom metrics is very very important. These are more of operational things which developers more often don't consider it, because 4x's and 5x's errors sometimes are not enough to understand what's the problem with the application by the operation team. So that is why the core utilities, trace logs, loggers, matrices, and event handler will be available across all Lambda Power Tool runtimes. So developer no need to think about it. Additionally, the utilities are subjective to language ecosystem and customer demand. AWS Lambda only. We optimize for Lambda function environment supported runtime only. Utilities might work with web frameworks and non-Lambda environments, though they are not officially supported. Easy the adoption of best practices, keep it lean. We survive for backwards capability. What backward capability? If something breaks, you can able to avoid those kind of situations. We would backward from the community, so we aim to strike best for 80% customers. No, like your response will be faster. Keep your application progressive utilities. So basically, Power Tool gives three key important features. Tracer. Tracer is nothing but handling your errors. So loggers. So basically the logs from your applications, and matrices. If something goes wrong, 80%. For example, if your CPU is 80%, just giving an example here, then you need alert need to be triggered and informed to the operation team. So these are the three features which is available. So to install the Power Tool is the TypeScript is nothing but a SDK, software development kit. By the time people would have understood the Power Tool is a term where when you start writing an application or start going to deploy an application on Lambda, you can get the SDK from AWS. Those SDK is already have those features of logging and everything added. Now you need to just add your application logic to this Power Tool. Basically, in some other cloud, they also say boilerplate, starter kit. So there's different words for this. But AWS Power Tool for Lambda, which is kind of a SDK where they have given all the best practices for logging and things. We need to just go and write your uh, logic of your code. This will be more useful for a developer. If you're already a developer in TypeScript, Java, or Python, it would be really useful. So to learn more about it, they also given a blog. These links I can provide in the description so that it would be easy for you guys. So simplifying serverless best practice. Well, Lambda, as you know, it's a serverless architecture, function as a service. But we need to also follow the best practices, not just run the code and put it. So development teams have shared understanding of workload by their own. They expect behavior, deliver business with confidence. But AWS, they have this well-architected framework, provide architectural best practices for designing and operational reliable security, efficiency, and cost-effective system in cloud. Developers should design and configure their workload to emit the information about their internal state and current statuses. This allows engineering team to ask attributory question about the health of the system at any time. For example, emitting the matrices, logs, and traces with useful context information enables situational awareness and allows developers to filter and select only what they need. So basically, this is the best practices they need to follow when they have run the application in Lambda. AWS Lambda Power Tool for TypeScript. This provides the utility for Lambda functions. So, so Logger. So they have already written this npm package of AWS Lambda Logger, and this is they import Logger, inject Lambda context, then you call the logger can be info or a debug, or there is a different log types, so you can give the log types and tracers. So this is in this video I just want to let you know that there is a power tool for TypeScript now generally available for you guys to use if you are running on Node.js application on Lambda. Thank you guys, I hope this video is useful to be updated on what's going on in AWS. Thank you so much. See you guys. Bye.